Okay, GPS is ready. So when you're using your Garmin device to record telemetry data to add to your Meta glasses videos, you want to make sure that you start your Garmin device first. That way the telemetry data is already processing. The device will find your GPS. You guys saw when this video clip started, it said GPS ready. Now I've been kind of playing around with this thing because there's like different settings. So like for the Meta glasses here, it says I burnt about a calorie just talking to y'all for 40 seconds. It really is that serious. I'm gonna walk a little bit so you guys can see some real-time telemetry data overlay stuff. And so when you go to the Meta glasses section, I have my Meta glasses set to automatically upload. So basically doing this walk right here, as soon as I stop this recording clip, right now I'm recording at 3K settings, 3K 30 frames per second. When I stop recording, in the app, the Meta app, I have it set up to automatically download the videos from the glasses as soon as I'm done recording. In order for this to happen though, you have to make sure obviously that the glasses is connected to the Meta app, which the Meta app will be downloaded on your cellular device. And your cellular device, the Wi-Fi settings has to be set to the on position. Hey, anybody know what Datsun is? Let me know in the comments below. What kind of Datsun that is? Is that like a Z100 or something like that? Or 100Z? I think it's Z100. Could be mistaken. Or 100Z. Yeah, 100Z. Anyways, so let me know in the comments below what kind of Datsun that is. So, automatically download. As soon as the actual glasses stop recording, when your Wi-Fi is on, the camera will automatically connect to your cellular device via Wi-Fi when it's not recording. It'll automatically just sync up. You don't have to have the glasses in the case to automatically start having it upload straight to your phone. So what's going to happen here is I'm walking. Matter of fact, I'm going to go a little faster. These Garmin watches, they are not very fast when it comes to the hertz, the refresh rate. So when I started running, there's a little bit of a delay in the speed. So it's more like for cycling and just holding a constant speed. The Garmin watch is definitely going to do the best job at showing the total distance because the GPS is always tracking where you are. So it'll be able to tell you your distance, your speed, heart rate. If you guys are using a Garmin heart rate monitor alongside with your watch, in this case I'm using my watch. If you have a heart rate monitor, if you're on your bicycle and you have a pace, Garmin Pace accessory on your bicycle, so you can see your cadence. And if you have a sensor on the crank of your bicycle, you'll be able to see how much power you were using. You'll be able to see all that information on a Garmin app, or should I say on a Meta app. So how exactly do you do that? Let me show you. So first thing you want to do is you want to stop your Garmin device. So for this watch, this is the Enduro 3, I'm going to press the stop button. Then it's going to show me another menu, which is going to allow me to resume the workout, save the workout, whatever the case may be. I'm going to hit save. Let this watch save. Now what's happening right now is this watch is uploading all the telemetry data from that little bit of walk that I just did. Is sending it to the Garmin Connect app on my cellular device because my watch is connected to my cellular device. This Garmin app is now collecting the data, and then when I open up the Meta app is going to say, oh, your Garmin device recorded some activity while you was recording at this very same time. So the Meta app is going to grab that telemetry data from the Garmin watch that was sent to the Garmin Connect app. It's going to take it from the Connect app and it's going to stitch it to the video. Now let me show you how to access that. So what you guys are going to see, if you look at the very top of your screen, this is the Android phones. Apple guys, however your notifications come on your screen is how it's going to look for your type of device. But that Garmin Connect app, you can see the little C up there on the top of my screen. If I pull down from the top, it says my activity is ready to view. That lets me know that everything that I just recorded on my Enduro 3 watch is going to be ready, and the telemetry data will be available on this Meta AI app. So here you go. You find your video clips in which you've recorded. So you guys see here, this is the video that I just recorded, showed you guys. We're going to go on and hit stats, because stats is going to show up when there's GPS data available for that video. So if you thought you recorded with your Garmin device, whether it's your watch, whether it's your bike computer, whether it's any other GPS enabled and trackable Garmin device, that's important that the Garmin has to be able to save whatever activity you're doing. I think Garmin Zumo's XT and XT2 motorcycle motorcycle GPSs can save your activity. So if you are riding your motorcycle and you decide to use your Meta glasses while riding your motorcycle, sounds crazy, doesn't it? It's not likely, but if you did, you'd be able to do this as well. These stats should show up for as long as your Garmin device was recording while you were recording with your Meta glasses. So anyways, over here it says stats, and you see this little shaded out area, we're gonna hit it. So now we've just enabled stats. Real time is your options. You can do real time, or it'll just show the summary of your GPS data from that activity. I like to do real time, so I'm gonna hit OK on real time. You can only pick 5 different fields. So 5 are pre-selected here. I'm gonna unselect one so you can see you'll unlock another slot for pace, semi-situation, total descent, and moving time based off of the device you use. You will see different stats based off of what Garmin device you use. If you're using a bicycle computer, you might not see your heart rate if your bicycle computer isn't hooked up to a Garmin heart rate monitor, for example, or a Garmin watch that will be constantly detecting your heart rate. So it just depends on what information is available depending on which device you use. So I got distance, speed, time, heart rate, and elevation, and I'm going to hit done. And this is the basic interface. If you want this information here, this is how it looks.